in your own county, home county that is Nyeri, I think most of the members of parliament, if not all, have stepped away from you. Why is this?
I don't bully anybody. I'm just truthful. I ask members of parliament.
Let's unpack that. What does truthful mean?
I just ask the members of parliament to listen to the people, to listen to the ground. They call that bullying. It's not bullying. It's just being truthful. You know, people don't want to be told the truth. We have a problem with this country. People want to live a lie. Those members of parliament from my county are very good people. But they had a lot of coercion and intimidation. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is that the Nyeri people, I was there the other day, are with me. 44 members of the county assembly are with me. The governor of Nyeri is with me. If the MPs want to be intimidated and be coerced to seem to fight me, that's up to them. They have a date with the people of Nyeri in the fullness of time. And I'm really not bothered by this.
There are reports that, Mr. Deputy President, you're working with opponents of sitting members of parliament to decampaign them ahead of the 2027 election.
I am not working with any opponent of anybody. What happens, Sam, is that nature abhors vacuum. If I go to a meeting and member of parliament doesn't turn up, another character who is interested in leadership turns up, you cannot chase him away. I am a people's person. Nature abhors vacuum. I have no candidate. I have no candidate. I have not looked for anybody to campaign anybody. What I cannot do, for sure, when I go around the country, I cannot stop Kenyans to accompany me to wherever I am going. If a member of parliament is there, he or she is given a chance to say hello. If he is not there and there is somebody else who wants to say hello, they are allowed to say hello. That's the way it goes.
Yet, some of them claim that you're forcing them to attend meetings.
I don't force anybody.
Case in point, the member of parliament for Nyeri Town once told me in studio that you had invited him to join you in a meeting, and he excused himself saying he was committed elsewhere, only for you to go and speak ill of him.
I have no capacity to force anybody to attend my meeting. Meetings are voluntary. My meetings are very well attended because I have a huge following. Any clever politician would attend my meeting. If he or she chooses not to attend, I have nothing to do with it, and I don't complain about it. You know, all I say is that if you want to come, my office, as a matter of courtesy, informs every elected leader of my tours around the country. The decision whether to attend or not, or whether to attend or not to attend, is your decision as a leader, and I would not take offense for you not coming, because I have nothing to do with you. You know, I heard somebody saying that that I'm unhappy somebody has not come to accompany me to church. Sam, what you need in church is the priest, the choir, and the congregation, and the service is on. Whether a member of parliament is in church or not, that will never dilute the quality of the service. We go to church to listen to the sermon, to praise and worship. And if the church choir is present, the congregation is present, you know, and in fact, the Bible says where 2 or 3 are gathered, that's where God is. That's all you need, 2 or 3. I don't think I have any issue with anybody attending my meeting or not attending. I am not bothered, really.
Okay. You're not bothered, you say. Yet, if, as you say, that there are plans to impeach you, if an impeachment motion makes its way to Parliament, you will need members of Parliament to make a case for you, because it is them that vote.
That is their decision, Sam. My position is very, very clear. I was elected by the people of Kenya, okay? It is the people of Kenya who will confirm whether I'm working well or not. But if members of Parliament...
How will they decide?
If members of Parliament are persuaded, intimidated, coerced to remove me from office, so be it. The matter is there. It's that simple. There are no issues. One, I have no capacity to coerce any member of Parliament. I have no capacity to intimidate any member of Parliament. I have no money to bribe any member of Parliament. If members of Parliament want to impeach Deputy President Gachagua, so be it. If they have issues with him that are constitutional, that meets the threshold, and they want to go ahead and send him home for whatever crimes he has committed, there's nothing Gachagua can do about it. That is their purview.
Yet, Deputy President, including the meeting that you're attending today in the city, some of the members of parliament you're working with were saying that we have seen the dog, now we want to see the owner of the dog. What does that mean?
You can ask the ones who made those
It has been repeated in several meetings that you
Well,
attend.
I did not make those statements. Those are questions